You wear spectacles daily and you're struggling to do your makeup routine in the sticky summers in India. This is the makeup look that you need to go for. Start with a water-based tint. You can do any tint. There is so many options available in the market. Pick a tint that suits your budget, your taste, all of it. And then go in with a lip liner, okay? Choose the tonality of the lip liner should be as close as possible to your natural lip tone. That way, you can mimic the volume part of your lips. You can create more voluminous lips. If you like a voluminous lip look, go ahead with it, or else you can choose whatever color you may wish. I personally like to go in with a color that matches my lip tone and then going in with a gel in my brows. Okay, I always go in with a gel. It could be a clear gel, it could be a tinted gel. Gel is something that is going to hold your brows all day long. Even if you sweat a lot, it is not going to budge. Okay, so find a good gel. The one I'm using is by elf and it is very, very potent. Next, I'm using a concealer and you can see I'm focusing only on the center of my face. This placement is going to give you that flawless, fresh, glowy skin because the center of our face is the place where we have maximal redness. Okay, the maximum amount of redness pigmentation is always in the center of our face near our nasal folds, around the mouth area, in the corner of our inner inner eyes. And finally, we are going to blend it all in. You can use whatever tool you want to blend it all in. You can use a brush, you could use a beauty blender, you could even use your fingers. The point is, everything should be blended in seamlessly so that your skin looks fresh, radiant, and flawless. Next, I'm going in with just a liquid lipstick. This is by Kylie Cosmetics. I love this color. This is the color Angel, and I feel it is a very, very glamorous color for an everyday look, especially if you wear dark rimmed glasses. It is going to make you look so fresh and glowy. It complements a lot of skin tones. I'm just doing a spritz of setting spray, fanning it off, and then I'm good to go. I'm wearing my glasses, and this is how the finished look turns out. Let me know what you think about this makeup look. Are you going to try it? What is your daily routine looking like? Let me know what are you doing during this sticky summer in India, and I'll see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye.